I have a really big proprioceptive cup. That means I seek proprioceptive activity, which is like weight-bearing activity or things where I'm moving my joints and my body. So I love to dance. I love to move. I carry all my groceries in from the car at once whenever possible. I was a climber as a kid. I still do like to climb. I'm very physical. I love physical work, especially if it involves weight-bearing activity, or, I don't go to the gym. I like to get my exercise through physical activity, which, lifting stuff and moving things around. Because I have a big proprioceptive cup, when I learned about proprioception, it was a big aha moment for me, and learning how to self-soothe, but also how to improve my focus and my concentration. I'd like to give a really simple proprioceptive activity for improving concentration and focus. So this can be done in a meeting. It can be done before you have something where you need your own focus. It can be done, if you're leading a meeting. It can be good for students in a classroom, or just yourself if you need to, if you've been in a training all day, or if you've been in meetings all day, or whatever, and you just need something to help get you back in your body. This is a really pretty lovely, simple activity. This is one of my favorites, actually. One of the things that I do a lot. So start with one hand. One hand is going to be passive and the other hand is going to be active. So just start with one hand, and you're just going to very simply squeeze each finger. You're not pulling, you're not trying to crack knuckles. They may pop as you're squeezing, but it's really just a simple squeeze. And then your hand. These are compression, really just kind of a simple self-massage, really, and just all the way up your arm. We're crossing midline here, so there's a midline in the body, and when we're crossing midline, we're causing the two halves of the hemispheres of our body, of our brain, to communicate. So we're giving proprioceptive activity, which helps calm and focus the body, brings us back into the body and kind of out of the brain a little bit. And all the way up the head. Again, we're still crossing midline, so anytime one part of your body is moving into the space on the other side of your body, like my hand is now on the left side, my right hand is on the left side of my head. Messing up my hair. And then back down. So crossing midline, it helps improve activity, or improve concentration. And proprioception does the same. So we're kind of giving ourselves a double dose. So moving on to, take a moment and notice both sides of your body, what the differences are, what the similarities are. And then repeat the same thing on the other side. Take a breath. Okay, repeat on the other side. Same thing, gentle squeeze. This is a nice self-care. It's a really gentle way to help yourself come back into focus after a long day, hard afternoon. Just squeeze as much of your arm as you can. And up the shoulder. And the neck. Again, the head, massaging the scalp is a great way to improve blood flow to the brain, which also helps improve concentration. And you don't have to really move your hands around. You're just kind of giving a gentle squeeze with your fingers. Bones like massage too. They like it gentle. Not a lot of pressure, but they do like some. Taking a deep breath always helps get back into your body, helps calm racing thoughts. So that's just a really simple proprioceptive activity that you can do when you need to improve your concentration. My name is Shana Bender from Sense Mindful Integration, and please remember to like, share, and comment if you have any questions. And also please remember to mind your senses.